Hello and welcome to the first tutorial of the course Vehicle Mechatronics Control. In this tutorial I will show you how to use a virtual machine software and log into the Ubuntu ROS computer that you will be utilizing in this course. First of all, I want you to open up your browser, type in vdi.aalto.fi. Here you could either choose HTML access to this virtual machine, or the recommended step is to install this Horizon client to your desktop. Choose either Windows or Mac distribution depending on your operating system, or Linux if that's what you're into. Once you have installed the software and you open it up, this is the view you should be getting. You then click Add Server and type in vdi.aalto.fi. Then you must log in with your Aalto credentials. And from the list of available virtual machines, select Ubuntu ROS. And it might take a longer time for you to get the view here, but once you have logged in, you can use Ctrl-Alt-T to open up a terminal, and you can open up another one with the same command.